You've probably seen travel backpacks that claim to be space-saving. This one actually is. This is the VacBack, a compression-powered carry-on that airlines absolutely hate. Why? Because it lets you fit up to 50% more into your carry-on. And that's a problem for them. Here's why the VacBack is changing the rules of air travel, and why airlines wish it didn't exist. Airlines don't make money from cheap flights. They make money from everything else. And one of their biggest cash cows? Checked baggage fees. In fact, airlines rake in billions every year just from your luggage. So what happens when you suddenly don't need to check a bag? Exactly, they lose. This isn't your average backpack. The VacBack uses a patented compression system that literally compresses your packed clothes, using either a built-in pump or even a household vacuum. The result? You fit twice as much into a standard-sized carry-on without breaking any airline rules. It's TSA compliant, cabin size approved, and fits in the overhead bin. So now, instead of paying $50 to $100 in baggage fees, you pack it all in one smart carry-on. And airlines hate that. Let's break down what this means for you. No more checked baggage fees, no waiting at baggage claim, no risk of lost luggage. With 45 liters of capacity and expandable storage, you can easily pack for a week or more, all in one bag. And that's not even the best part. The VacBack doesn't just save space. It's built for modern travelers. Water-resistant, made from recycled fabric, padded laptop sleeve, and even a hidden security pocket. It's built to outsmart airport stress. VacBack helps you say, no thanks. So yeah, airlines hate the VacBack, but you won't. It saves you money, it saves you stress, and it might just be the last backpack you ever need. Check out the link below and see how VacBack changes the way you travel. Don't forget to subscribe and travel smarter.